about to move.
I'm excited to be in a new place.
It's going to be a pretty aggressive working.
Stunning, thanks. Did I know I was gonna do wedding hair today? No, I did not. So I apparently took him out, but he ran into me. So whose fault is that? That's pretty good. She's my first extension client. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D. I didn't vlog all week. If y'all know, I just got back from Texas. Next week school is starting for all the kids, so this last week we were busy. Let me show you what we're working with. My apartment right now is literally a mess because we're about to move. Clothes everywhere.
So we're taking a break from the clothes so I can make some food, because honestly I don't really have anything to eat right now. I'm excited to be in a new place. I've never lived in a place as nice as this. It's almost too nice for me because I feel like I'm like acostumbrada a lo más básico, and this is like luxury, like top of the line. Look how yummy my plate looks.
And also, let me show you the progress. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a lot of stuff in bags, like clothes-wise. Good morning. Looking crusty, musty, everything today. But you know what? I am washing my hair today, so we're gonna deal with that later. It still looks like a mess in here, but I got a little bit more back. And I actually was looking at the calendar, and technically we have 2 weeks to move. So I'm like a little bit more calm about it, because look, I was stressing out a little bit, but feeling better now. I'm gonna tackle these dishes though, because I did hella meal prepping yesterday. Ooh. Bro, tell me why that was actually so freaking much. Like, it was full.
Feeling so small.
Fresh lemon juice, delicious. Ready for work. House still a mess. I did a few more bags though of clothes because I wanted to be a little bit productive. Today's gonna be a chill day. I have like 4 haircuts and then a balayage full with color. So that could either be like a balayage with low light, or it could be a balayage with a root color. I'm not sure. I checked still in the Oh, okay.
Hello, ma'am. Hi. How are you?
I'm good. Okay, I need to fill up this water. My client ended up being a balayage, but she wants to be darker, so I'm still lightening like the new growth, so that way the lighter pieces are a little bit higher up. I'm on the treadmill now. I walked 2.6 miles. Have I shown you all my work? Look at this big thing that they put. I don't know what it's for. I don't know what we're celebrating. So I got some time. I decided I'm gonna make this pork that I bought. I'm gonna leave it in the crock pot all day. I haven't used my crock pot in a long time. I'm kind of excited, low-key. I googled what's a substitute because I don't have any apple cider vinegar, and it said lemon juice, and I literally have it freshly squeezed. All right, meat's in the crock pot. Yeah, and what helps is when you have that salt and pepper, it helps even more.
Yeah, it's going to be a pretty aggressive working.
Stunning, thanks. Eating that sandwich though. About to go to work. My legs, whew, I'm feeling it. Because when I went upstairs yesterday to work out, like after work, one of the trainers was like giving out samples of amino acids and pre-workouts and stuff. And so he asked me what I was gonna work out, and I was like, oh, I don't know, I was just gonna like do the Stairmaster for like a little bit. And he's like, the Stairmaster? He's like, no. He's like, go get yourself a good leg workout. And then I was like, oh, you're right. And then like, of course I took the pre-workout and stuff. So I was like feeling that. And honestly, like I haven't done a good leg workout since I came back from Texas. So I was like, you know what? This is my sign. Let's do a good leg workout. Whew, just got off work. Bro, I did the longest appointments today. Both of my colors took me so long to do. First girl just had so much hair. And she's actually the first girl I do from my hometown.
Like I would have some, and then we have Mark. Oh yes.
Oh, that's so good. It's adorable. So far. Are you getting married? You are?
Yeah, just a few hours.
Okay. Wow, you're real chill. Yeah. Good for you.
That's a little nice.
Look how good this drawer looks. I cleaned it. Now we're on to the second drawer. So. True. Oh, yep. Made it home. Dang, I'm looking at everything Nick made. Or not made. Like that. Looking at everything that Nick did today on the move. Wow, the house still looks like a mess, but a lot less things in here. But, whew, y'all, today was a day. Tell me why. Dang, I have no chair now in here. Dang, it actually looks so different. Today was like a good day and a bad day. Like, I feel like I didn't do anything, but I feel like I did a lot at the same time, too. Where do I start with today? So much going on. So I got to work, right? I literally had 2 appointments. One at noon, one at 1. Literally back to back. And then I had nothing in the morning, had nothing all day in the afternoon. But one of my coworkers, her daughter came and I braided her hair, which was nice because we also gave her shampoo, which when you shampoo and blow dry it, then braid, you know, it's a little bit longer versus just like braids only. So that was nice. And, oh, and then after that, I got my nails done. You ready for this reveal? Wow, I feel like so put together. Aren't they so cute? But then she also gave me pesto. Oh, it smells good. Honestly, I'll be honest with y'all, I don't know if I've ever had pesto. So she gave me this pesto, right? And she told me how to make it. So I'm gonna make that tonight. And then she also gave me pasta. Like, she hooked it up. She gave me everything I needed. I think I'm gonna eat my barbecue sandwich now though. And I'll make this like for tonight and then we can have it for tomorrow. Okay, so then what else happened? So I did my first client. Oh, and my first client, bro, tell me why she was getting married. I did a whole bride today. Did I know I was gonna do wedding hair today? No, I did not. But let me show y'all because it looked so pretty. This was her before. She was so cute. And this was her after. Oh my goodness, I love it. I gave her a 4-strand braid. Y'all know I love my 4-strand braids. I did one on each side and then after that I just did a haircut, which was like a simple, girl had hair like probably to like here. We cut it to here because she had a lot of split ends. So we did that. Let me show you my pesto. So y'all know how I told y'all my coworker gave me this pesto, right? So I made all the pasta. I took some of it out though because she said only 1 cup of pasta goes with the pesto, but I'm like curious to try because I've never had pesto before. All right, hold on. I added lemon juice, a little bit of milk, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and it's bomb.
This is the craziest part.
We'll see if I finish this whole off. My goal is to. Honestly, it feels great outside. Like I might have to squeeze in a walk. Hey guys, tell me why I stopped packing, stopped doing everything, and I'm gonna go take pictures instead. I just did my makeup. Very simple, very light, a little bit of wing, a little bit of lashes. But I'm about to take this hair down and I'm about to snatch it up in a tight pony. That's beautiful. Look how cute it is. Like the curls are curly. No, like I didn't know what to expect, but this is so cute.
Yeah, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead.
Guess what I got? Good old neighborhood Walmart. Nothing better than coming grocery shopping and like nobody being here. I don't think anything beats that. Oh, queso para quesadillas. Oh snap. We don't have any actually. Wait, they don't have any here? Bro, there's none. Bro, not me tripping out. It's literally over here on the other side. Oh, look how cute. These are the bottles I used whenever I would feed Shakira's puppies, the ones that like were really small. So freaking cute. Only $1. Should I take it? Me with no animals and I want to buy animal stuff. Yesterday we went and saw the apartment. Y'all, it's so cute. Like our new place. I'm so excited. I feel like that's going to be a lot more homey. I do think I need to go to work though because I want to talk to one of the girls that does extensions. Look at the difference. This is the extension that we just colored versus the one that hasn't been colored. Look how much lighter. It just is a conditioner.
Do it.
After massage, oh my body. Like, not gonna lie, my upper body, like my upper back was so freaking sore. Like, I don't know if it's because yesterday I freaking got bodied in hockey. So I didn't even, okay, so I went to Nick's hockey practice, right? And I was not even gonna go because I was like for what? Like, you know, like I just like wasn't feeling it because Nick told me he wasn't gonna play goalie, and I was like, why am I gonna go watch, right? But then I was like, I'm not doing anything, so I might as well go. So I go. I see that like more of like the not so good people are playing, so like more of like my skill level, you know. And I was like, why did he not invite me to play? And look, I was a little butthurt because I was like, how you not gonna invite me whenever it's like people that I could play with, right? And then but he told me, he was like, well, it's because you said you were retired. Like every time like we want, like every time I ask you to play you don't want to, and I didn't play the last tournament and I got asked to, but honestly I wasn't ready. Like I was like, no, it's because I want to practice and like play pickup, like literally like last night, because that's what's gonna help me get better. And so anyways, so I told him, I was like, wow, you didn't even invite me like to play? And he was like, oh, well, go get your skates. Like they were in the truck, so I just went outside, got them. I played, I think 3 games, a good freaking like, I think 2 hours honestly is how long I was playing. But I probably felt like 8 times, but the last time I fell I got freaking bodied. So I apparently took him out, but he ran into me. So whose fault is that? It hit me hard, so I wasn't sure if I was like really sore because of that, because I literally could tell that I was like, it hit hard. So I was like feeling it. So my upper back right now is just like so tense. So that massage like helped out so much. Shout out to Camille. And I did her son's braids and they looked so freaking good. Let me show y'all real quick. Just look at them. They look good. Look at that. He flexing. He flexing. Just Colorado things. I'm attempting to make a wrap. Never made a wrap before, but I bought the thicker lettuce so that I could make a wrap. Because they look so good. You know, like when you go to Jimmy John's, my favorite thing at Jimmy John's is the number 7, but instead of bread, get lettuce. It's so freaking good, but it's like honestly way too expensive. So I'm just gonna make my own wrap right now. Let's try it. That's pretty good. So I'm gonna eat this, then we're gonna start packing. We're making progress. I got like barely, not much, but 2 boxes for the kitchen. So this is like, this one has glass. This one just has like extra kitchen stuff that we're not using at the moment, like toaster, blender, like all that stuff that hopefully we don't need right now. Hey guys, about to go to work. I got a lot done today though. We got hella boxes packed, boxes and bags. So we're definitely making progress. Hey guys, I just got off work. Oh, these pepinos are hitting the spot. Oh, that, yeah. I didn't see it all, but I heard a little bit. We got the essentials. Paper towels. I got some of this soap. I want to start using this soap since I have like a different washer now. Apple cider vinegar. Room ready to go. First room ready to go. Bro, I feel like so much has been going on and I have not updated y'all. Moved into a new place. Hey guys, it's been so long that I talked to y'all. I wanted to explain everything that's been going on, but honestly my camera was about to die when I was at work because worked out. I was chilling there for a little bit. Look at our new place. This is our kitchen. Still boxes everywhere. Yesterday though, I worked all day. I did my manager's daughter's hair and we're doing her extensions next week. She's my first extension client and I'm excited AF to do it. So I'm so excited for that. That's gonna be Saturday and thankfully she is my last appointment of the day. So if it takes me longer, we'll be good. Like we'll have time. I don't know, every day has just been so wild. Like I feel like I haven't updated y'all at all. We've been literally moving all our stuff every day. So now I just gotta organize it. But it's so dope because we literally live right next to a park. Like our apartment place has a basketball court and it has a pool. But you walk across the street and you cross the park or you cross the street and there's a park there. They have basketball, they have tennis, they have hockey, outdoor hockey, bro. I've never seen an outdoor hockey place. And it's so, like, it's right, literally right there. And then they had soccer, they were playing football. They had a park for like little kids, a big trail. We literally walked all the way around. I think it was 3 miles, like 3.4 or something like that is what we walked. And we like went through the whole grass, went all the way around, came back around. There was like water, it was so pretty. And the weather was perfect. It was like I had never seen that many people out and about here in Colorado, which is like, that's what we were expecting when we moved here. And the fact that like today's the first day that I really felt like I experienced that, it's kind of crazy, but it was really cool.
You guys and let you know. So yeah, my plan. This dress is from Target. I just got it recently. I showed you a cream in the blue jar.
Let me show y'all my whole freaking setup. It's like so cute. So we have the stove. And then I have all this space right here to cook. And it's crazy because in my other place, I didn't really have a place where I could cook and do side stuff. Everything was kind of like everywhere. And the sink was like really far too. Like, I don't know, I didn't like love the setup.
You got the whole camera set up?
Well, lost every game. My cousins, they're in Mexico right now. Mira, aquí van los recién casados, los novios. Mi prima Cristina y su esposo. Mi primo Baldo, mis primas, Paulina.
Que radican allá en Decatur, Texas. Un saludo a ellos, mis papás, los quiero mucho. Cuídense, aquí andamos bien. Disfrutando un domingo familiar aquí en Jerez.
Don't they look delicious? So freaking good. So banana first, and then nuts and milk, and then like chocolate. So freaking soft.